Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Josiah. I'm a BPC LLM student at the University of Law, and I'm going to be answering some of your questions about student life at university. Let's get into it. In my case, all my lectures are live and direct, so you need to prepare in advance. If you don't prepare, well, when they ask you questions, it's just going to be really awkward because you don't know the answer. Has that happened to me? I found a girl on LinkedIn called Monica Young, shout out to you, and she writes blogs basically, and she explained that what would help you is if you prepare for each class 1 week beforehand, and so that's what I aim to do before even starting my course. I did that for a while, but it became really difficult. So one thing I then began was study with me sessions, and I will do them twice a week at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Yes, probably while you're still asleep. But it really helped me, and it helps me get on top of my classes, and I could just get work done with other students. I can then catch up with, work that I hadn't completed beforehand. Recently, I made a spreadsheet and I looked at all my units, so all my classes basically, all the things I'll be learning, and the reading that we had to do in each unit. And I just put the topics of the syllabus that went in accordance to the unit. I then moved it over to mind maps, and then I put each topic of the syllabus and then all the lectures that fit into that particular topic. That really helped organize my learning, honestly. It helped me to understand the relevant topic for that syllabus, which you need when you want to do revision. One thing I've also just started is writing out questions. Let me quickly do one. What is an arrest? Restricting a person's liberties. Let's hope that's correct. Hashtag active recall gang. Shout out to you. If I'm being totally honest, I sleep. I think when you have kids, it's really difficult to find time to really unwind. So you just need to stay as organized as you can and do what you can when you can and rest when you can. Sometimes I just have too much to do. I can't really prep a really lengthy meal. So I go to my go-to, rice. You can have rice and stew, rice and sweet and sour, rice and curry, rice and stir fry, anything, name it. I hope you enjoy this, and hopefully I'll be seeing more of you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.